Hello guys, good morning, It's Megan Ryan and I'm back. Yes, I'm back after a very long vacation. 2 week vacation. It's not very long, but it's long enough for me to skip a few weeks of day trading or a few days of day trading. It was a busy day for me, or busy week for me. A friend of mine got married here in Vancouver, and we have lots of friends who visited from all over the world, and I have to accommodate them. Some of them stayed at my place, and yeah, we went to a few places here in Vancouver, also out of town. It's a destination wedding, so yeah, it's a busy first half of the month for me for November. But yeah, I'm back, and I'm gonna be out again maybe in December for probably a month for Christmas. But let's see what happens if I can trade. But yeah, sorry if I haven't been trading. I traded once when I was in the hotel, but it was a NIO trade, I remember, or AMD trade, I can't remember. But yeah, all went great, and after that, I never traded. So in the past 2 weeks, I only traded once. Yeah, so I had a great time with friends, and yeah. So yeah, let's watch. I only traded today. I actually woke up late. I really planned to trade this week, but it's hard to go back to my my wake up time, which is 6 o'clock in West Coast. So I saw Neo. It was actually one of the greatest volume mover. And Baba, but I did not trade Baba, so I only trade Neo. Let's go here. Yeah, so I shorted Nia first. That was my first short was this one, and then the second one was actually a long, no, not short. Yes, the first one was long, and the second one was short. And yeah, it where's my mouse? I can see my mouse. What's this? Yeah, my first was long. Actually, one long 1 minute orb, and second was a breakdown of VWAP and opening price, a breakdown of this opening price here, a low of day. So yeah, that's what I traded. First one was a very small loss. I'm still not back 100% making recaps, but I'll try my best. Um, yes, so that just went great. Added here, and then added here again, and then stop out to the rest at break even. Yeah, it was an easy trade. It was gapping up, I believe, because 11:56, so gapping up because that's a multi-day gap up. Let's look here. So multi-day gap up, gap up, gap up, gap up. So I thought it's gonna break this $12 here and break out this 12.48. So that's what I thought. I thought it's gonna continue, but it failed. When I saw that it failed, then I said, okay, let's try for the short. Let's look. Yeah, so after this I stepped out short at VWAP and short this 1186 here, which is opening price, which is high of low of day. Immediately this was a big risk because this was a not big risk, a wider risk because it was a chase. I think I was receiving 30 cents, so $11 stock. So I took it long, but decided to just bail out. If it holds VWAP, then I'm gonna take it long again. That's what's the plan. Long again at $12 since a gap up, but it actually failed. So I shorted it here, risking 20 cents, and then I got the whole move, most of the whole move, and then added here, holding probably 20% of my share, like what I normally do. And then yeah, I caught some of it there, and then I just decided to just bail out, break even. So yeah, I was also watching Baba. So those things. So Baba is on the more expensive side, so I didn't really bother trading it because it's a $70 stock. Uh, could have been nice if failed VWAP and failed opening price, and then yeah, gap up, but sell off because it's probably under a few days up. Let me check. Okay. So yeah, nothing really Only traded NIO and that's it. Oh yeah, let's watch. But of course, before everything else, I'm so sorry I haven't been making recaps, but if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just DM me in my Instagram or Twitter, or you can comment down below if you have any questions. So let's watch and let's make this quick because it's lunchtime here. Okay, so I'm watching NIO here and Baba. Market's about to open. They're both gapping up. There you go. Let's look at NIO. So it broke that $12 there. Let's look at 1.7 million volume. So that's very rare on NIO. Normally NIO volume comes in on the third candle because it's a nicey stock. Let's go and see how it performs. So it broke that $12 there. I was really hoping for a breakout just in case. It's really holding a bit, so I tried a small size. As you can see here, my size was actually really far. If proper risk reward, we just had VWAP, so I kind of used the 26 range. So I risked 30 cents on that one. Let's see. I thought it's gonna continue, but it's really failing. I felt that it's really selling off, so I decided to just bail out. So just a small loss. Let's look at this Baba. Baba had about only 900,000 volume, so that's actually a lot for a $70 stock. It's not bad. 1 million the first first 2 minutes, and this one had about 2.6 million the first 2 minutes. So when I saw that actually it's kind of rejecting it, okay, I waited for a proper confirmation because I thought it's just gonna hold this opening price 1186. I was closely watching it. This 80. Yep. So when it rejected that, okay, I like that. That rejection there at 11.95, and then I shorted it here, risking 20 cents. Yeah. So let's look. Okay, that's the move. Okay, took some off there. Okay, took half in here. Yep. Took half. Yep. So I'm down half of my position at this point. Already made my loss there, plus profit. Okay, there you go. So that's a 2-to-1 move there, more than 2-to-1 move. Okay, there you go. So just like that quick. It was really quick. So my average is at 1186. As you can see here, I had about 50-cent move out of a 20 cents risk. So yeah, more than close to 2-to-1 in terms of net. The thing is, since I had a bit of a loss in here, so I had to hold because I like holding 20% of my shares. If if I've taken most of my shares in, could have been nice profit, but I like holding in case it moves more. So yeah, so that's pretty good. Okay, added there. New average is at 77, 1177. So there's actually a support here. Let's see. I should be taking profit here. I did not. So I was patient. I was hoping for a breakdown. Actually, the ad was not that big, so I took some more off. I was hoping for an $11 flush. So my next take profit in case was probably $11. So my entry here was actually a failure of VWAP, or a failure of this 1195 when I saw that it rejected it. Actually, even here was actually a good entry, even you're late, because I thought my initial entry was actually long, right? So long, I thought it's gonna recover back to 12, so I waited before I even enter. I did not enter above VWAP because even as a gap up, it could probably sell up. It's on a third day gap up, so at the open, most of the time sellers win. Who's not gonna take profit on the third day, right? Okay, there you go. So I got a good portion, so I'm still holding probably around 7%. No, more than 10%. Probably 15% of my shares. I like holding 20%, but since here, I like holding 20%. If it moves about 4 to 1, then I'll probably take more. But yeah, let's see. So I'm in the adding mode. So average is now at 1166, is somewhere here, but I'm gonna step out somewhere here at 47 because I only want to give back 20 cents. Okay, so breakdown again. Let's see. So that failed. That's it. So it's knocking on my door, but yeah, let's see. So it's actually holding this price now, 1127 area. Let's see. So average is at 1166 or 1167, so somewhere here. That's my average is somewhere here. So my ads were actually not that much because I want to hold it to somewhere at 1150. So that's a round number there, and it's 1157. I don't want to re-add back full size because today's my first day coming back to trading, so yeah, just want to take it slow. Just fast forward this a bit. Let's see. Yeah, so I stopped out. Yep. Yeah, so it moved about 90 cents for the day, as you can see here. So as you can see here, oh, I can't click because this is recording. I thought this is a dash chart. Moved about 90 cents, but its ATR is $1.17. There's some ranges, some prices here at 11.75, but I don't want to wait there because I've added, so I stopped out here. Could have been nice if I held, but I don't want to give back any of my profit. Yeah, so let's look at this one. Since I'm done, let's look at Baba. Actually, Baba was great, a great short here as well, but look at that. It's crazy. It's a lot of choppy moves where. Yeah, so that's about it. It was a great trade, and after this I actually went back to bed because I'm still really sleepy. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and hopefully I will trade again tomorrow. See you. Don't forget to subscribe.